Use this summer to overtake people, right, guys? There are so many distractions in the world right now. There's a war happening, the World Cup is happening. Everyone is distracted, right? This is the best moment for you to start something and completely change your life. Guys, this is the moment where you should be looking to start an online business. Now, guys, I used to work a 9-to-5 job myself back in the UK, where I was working for Argos, World Duty Free Sky, before I decided, you know what, I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life. I'm going to quit my 9-to-5 job, pack my bags, and move to Dubai, right? And that's what I did. Packed my bags, moved to Dubai, and now I live here. I'm financially free, and life is amazing, right? As you can see from the backdrop and from the backdrop over here, life is amazing now. Everything's changed. I work for myself. I'm financially free. And the reason I'm telling you guys to start an online business, right, is because it is one of the best business models that you can do. Firstly, because a physical business requires you to be somewhere. A 9-to-5 job is slavery, right? So why not start an online business that gives you time freedom and location freedom? And one of the best business models is the one skill consulting business model, right? And I'm going to talk about this business model a little bit more in detail later on. But the whole point of this video is you want to use this summer to overtake people, because right now we're in a position where everyone is distracted. Everyone prefers to waste time. Everyone decides to have fun. You know, no one is trying to start an online business right now. Literally everyone is trying to waste time, right? So what you guys want to do is start an online business, because what's going to happen is when you start an online business, you're going to literally be working towards freedom. You're going to be working towards building an income that can literally, firstly, replace your 9-to-5 job, right? Secondly, gives you the time and location freedom to be wherever it is that you want. Right now, I am walking in Creek Harbor, right? It's like 3 a.m. nearly. And it is so easy for me to just, jump in the car, drive over here, right? Because I don't have to work tomorrow. I work for myself, right? I don't have to follow a boss. I don't have to wake up at a certain time, compared to like physical businesses or even a 9-to-5 job, right? I don't have to do anything for anyone else. I do things for myself. And because I have that freedom now, life is amazing. I can literally, look, I'm working technically right now. This is my work, where I'm making content for you guys, right? Because the whole point of these YouTube videos, I don't obviously do YouTube videos for free. Like, of course, there's free value I want to give you guys, but the whole point of these videos is for me to grow my business, for me to sign clients, right? So that's obviously why I'm making these YouTube videos, and that's also why I'm making this video right now. But at the same time, I want you guys to understand one thing. It is summer. Everyone's distracted. Are you going to be like everyone else that's distracted, wasting time, doing nothing with their lives? Or are you going to be those types of people that says, you know what, everyone else is distracted. This is actually the best time to lock in, start something that can genuinely change your life. And I promise you, if you start something now, you can genuinely change your life by the time the winter comes. So, for example, let's say you're in the UK, right? You start an online business right now. You hire a mentor, because that's what I did. When I first started getting into the online space, I hired a mentor. And when I hired a mentor, it changed my life completely. Because I learned from someone that was doing better than me. I learned from someone that had more skills than me. Once I learned from them, I was able to implement it myself, and it completely changed my life. In fact, I made like 10 grand in my first month of doing this business, right? So that's why a mentor is one of the best things you can do. And guys, I'm also a mentor myself. This is kind of my business. I have an online coaching business where I teach you how to do the one skill consulting business model, where I basically work with you on a one-to-one basis, scale you to 10K a month, so you can start making money online for yourself, right? Now, if that does sound interesting, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? But guys, you want to hire a mentor, whether it's me or someone else, right? You want to hire someone that's going to show you exactly how you can start a business that can change your life, right? Now, I don't believe in physical business, because this is also an area where people get things wrong, right? They talk about physical businesses. Now, why would you want to start a physical business in today's day and age, right? Because in today's day and age, a physical business means what? You're going to have to be somewhere, right? Let's say in the UK, where you have to pay 40% tax. I don't know why you'd want to do that. Or you'd want to be, even if you're in a 0% tax place, why would you want to do a physical business? Because it doesn't give you time or location freedom. In fact, it actually makes you more of a slave to a certain extent. Because now, rather than slaving for a boss, you're slaving for yourself, but you're slaving in a one location where you have to be. Guys, you want to work on yourself. You want to have a business that goes where you go. Tomorrow, if I want to go on holiday, I could do that, because my business is all online. I don't need to, be stuck in a physical location. And I still prefer someone to do a physical business over a 9-to-5 job, of course, any day of the week, because at least you work for yourself. But why would you do a physical business? Why would you work a 9 to 5 job, right? You have the ability to make money online. You have the ability, which is right now, the internet has made more multi-millionaires than anything else, right? So why would you choose to do something else? This summer, whilst everyone's distracted, all you've got to do, right, is hire a mentor, whether it's myself or someone else, learn everything that you need to learn, start an online business, and change your life. It's literally as simple as that. And you guys can literally change your life. We're in the best generation right now where everything is so easily accessible, right? You've got AI at your fingertips. You've got mentors at your fingertips, right? Back in the days, this wasn't a thing. This wasn't something that you could actually do. Back in the days, to become a multi-millionaire, you had to do so many different things, right? It was more physical labor. It was very difficult. And yeah, it was just not possible like it is now. So the point I'm trying to make, right, that nowadays it is extremely easy to make money online. It's extremely easy to change your life, to be in a position where you're financially free. Like, guys, I can't explain this to you enough, right? Being financially free is one of the best things ever. Like, not being tied down to a location, not being tied down to a job, not having to listen to anyone else. Like, I don't listen to anyone. I live for myself. I literally do whatever it is that I want to do. I don't have to listen to anyone else. Most people have to wake up for the 9 to 5 job tomorrow, all that kind of stuff. Right now the water's going crazy. I don't know if you guys can see. So I don't have to listen to anyone else. My life's completely changed, guys, right? So this is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Use this summer. Don't be like every other degenerate out there that's just wasting time partying, drinking, gambling, all these stupid things that people are doing right now. Don't be one of those people, right? Use this summer to lock in. And I promise you, if you lock in this summer and you hire a mentor, because this is also very important, you're going to overtake everyone. Like, literally, like, think about it for a second, right? If you start working on your business now, you're going to literally overtake everyone. So this is the best time. And like, I can't explain to you guys what freedom looks like, what freedom feels like. I can show you what it looks like because this is what it is, but I can't tell you guys what it feels like. It's the best feeling ever, you know, to be able to, like, I'm walking near the water right now. Really nice, as you can see. Like, if I was in the UK, I would have to wake up for my 9 to 5 job tomorrow and wake up at 7 a.m, work 12 hours. Forget that, man. Those days were so long, man. I can't even explain to you guys how long those days were for me, thinking the way I used to think. I knew I'd be successful. I knew I'd be in a position where I could work for myself. It was just a matter of when, because I was putting in the work. You know, I had an online business on the side. I was doing everything required to become rich, to become successful. But yeah, it was just one of those things where I had to just keep grinding, especially when I wasn't seeing results. I had to keep trying, which most people don't do, right? And this is why a lot of people fail. I had to keep trying, and that's why I got to where I am today. Now, again, if you guys are looking to start an online business, which I like to call the one skill consulting business model, which is the best business model out there, whereas essentially you sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you. But guys, if you want more information on how the one skill consulting business model works, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.